Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Pilot battery, full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake for safety. Open the hood and locate the battery, noting terminal positions and any brackets. Inspect the battery label for cold cranking amps and size, replace with matching specs. Remove accessories that obstruct access and have a small container ready for bolts and clips so nothing gets lost during the swap. Before you start, collect the right tools and protective gear so the job goes smoothly. A 10mm wrench and a socket set will handle most battery clamps and hold downs. Use a terminal cleaner or wire brush to remove corrosion after the old battery is out. Keep a small tray for bolts and a rag for spills, and consider a memory saver to preserve radio and ECU settings while power is disconnected. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: I use Little Tree's black ice in my car to keep things smelling great after working under the hood. It's a small comfort that makes a big difference. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. With tools ready, disconnect the negative cable first and tuck it away, then remove the positive cable to fully isolate the battery. Undo the hold down or bracket and lift the battery straight up to avoid tipping any acid. Clean the tray and terminals, then seat the new battery, secure the clamp, and reconnect the positive followed by the negative. Start the engine and check lights, horn, and accessories to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.